been a long road getting from there to here.
Well, greetings, interwebs. We are finally moving into the house. Woo! So, before I move on to the next round of videos with cable and the networking and such, thought I'd do a little retrospective. It's been a long road, but we finally made it. So here you go, a quick look back. And here we are back at the house. It's in its final days. The crews came out today, started marking it off, set up the fencing around it to get ready for the demolition. I'm gonna do a walkthrough, tell you all about it, see what's going on, and then in the coming days, watch it be destroyed. Okay, let's do a quick walkthrough. Here we are in the living room. It's kind of messy because, you know, we're pulling everything out and apart to get ready to just destroy the place. Leaving the old furniture. It's pretty crappy. You see here, we had a window unit air conditioner. It leaked. Here we had a window unit air conditioner. It leaked. My bedroom. They're both the same, 9x11s with an aftermarket closet that was built later, because in 1926, when the house was built, they didn't really do closets. You can see this window had a window unit air conditioner. It leaked. You can see the house has paneling and the weird textured ceilings and the beautiful green linoleum floor. This house was renovated in 1970, or excuse me, 71. Here we come to the other bedroom. It's Alicia's room, my daughter. It's also where both of my sons grew up long ago. Here's the bathroom, the only bathroom. When I came back from Afghanistan in 2011, I renovated the bathroom. When I bought this house, it was completely gutted. There was nothing in it except a tub and a toilet. There was no cabinets, no sink, no nothing. Here we have the dining room, which that 20-year-old table, actually more than 20, it's pretty much shot, as well are the chairs. This lovely paint job came with the house. And back here is the back porch. When I first got the house, the porch was open. And right before I took possession, someone came and tore the water heater out, tearing up all the pipes and everything. So we closed in the porch. And that's pretty much it for the house. Not a lot to say. It's old and small. It was built in 1926, renovated in 1971 after a big fire, and then I bought it in 1997, I believe. And now it's going to be completely demolished and a new one built in its place. Well, here we are. Got the garage down. Got the whole crew, nephews, stepbrother, and all the families. Yard full of vehicles. This is the last shot of the house. As you can see, the guys are here, ready to start tearing her down. really cleaning this mess out. Looks like aftermath of a war or a Godzilla attack. Okay, the lines are staked out where the house is actually going to go. You see it sits way back on the property. I mean, there's going to be not much of a backyard. Okay, the form boards are all set up. The heavy plastic is set up. You see they came out formed up for the front porch. So there's my front porch. There's my garage. And then the laundry room. Here's the back porch, or patio, I guess. Not very big. Apparently all of the plumbing passed inspection, obviously, or they've never gotten to this point. We'll put in just a little bit of rebar for the foundation. So, yeah, it's looking really good. There you have a nice thick bundle of cable coming into the garage. Greetings, interwebs. As you can see, paint job's done. I don't know when they did it. Yesterday when they were doing all the caulking and such, I thought they were doing that and leaving. I tried to ask, but none of them spoke enough English, so none of them really could answer me. So I thought they'd let the caulk dry a day or two and then come back. Well, this is the next morning and it's already done. So, but it's done. It looks nice. It's got that whole beach house vibe I was going for. What do you think? Does it look all right?
He slings stone, slams ceramic, and pushes porcelain. He's Jimmy the Tile Guy. No installations too tough. Kitchen and bath remodeling and more. Pro service. Affordable rates. Jimmy the Tile Guy. Call 923-1188 or visit jimmythetileguy.com.
Well, greetings, interwebs. I'm here today with
Jimmy the Tile Guy.
What the heck? So the painters came, did their thing, painted the trim, painted the walls, painted out a lot of the outside. So the house got a nice second coat. Big thing is the bathrooms. All the trim on the floor was very rough. That all got finished. And of course the walls got repainted where all that repair work was done. You got all up in here. Got it painted all up in here real nice. Well, I have some good news. Today, one of my sofas arrived. Yep. We were sitting here in a FedEx truck full up out front. I thought, well, surely it's not coming here. I haven't ordered anything. Nope. It was all in a box. And that's where we are. The house is done. Time to move in. More to follow. Stay tuned. Be seeing you.